This FieldLink tutorial will teach you all about reports. To go to reports, we will go to More, Reports. First, we have Daily Layout Summary. The Daily Layout Summary is only available in FieldLink Office or the Advanced Feature Pack. First, we must choose the date of layout. We can type it in or go to the calendar to the right of the line. Here, any days that we've done layout will show up in a dark blue. We only have one day on this project, so we'll click it and hit Preview. Scrolling down, we can see that it shows us Setup 1 at the top and Setup 2 at the bottom. It shows us what control points we used, the coordinates, quality, and distance from instrument. For Layout Session 1, it shows what time our first and last points were laid out, how many points were laid out, and how long it took. It also gives us the metric of points per hour. The same can be said for Setup 2. If we scroll down further, we will have a summary at the end. This shows us the total number of points laid out, the total layout time, points laid out per hour, percentage of points in horizontal and vertical tolerance. It then lists every single point, the name, which setup it was from, and the horizontal and vertical deviation of each point. We can hit Save, and this will save us to the project under a Reports folder. Next, we can go to More, Reports, and look at Layout Deviations. Here, we have a very easy to read and useful set of information, which shows us our layout deviations of every single point. We can save this, and it will be sent to an Excel spreadsheet, which we can see here. It shows us all of the information we could need with our layout points and their deviations, as well as information on our control point setup. Next, we will go to More, Reports, Field Report. In our field report, we can name it, and we can type notes. We can also take pictures with our total station or our tablet. We can also measure a location. We can open up our tablet's camera, which I currently have covered, and hit our camera button in the bottom right. This will save the image to the report. We can also take multiple images. If we are connected to a total station, we can hit the Shoot button in the top right, and it will measure what the device is currently looking at, whether it's to your Prism or to your tablet. We can also take pictures with our total station if we're connected to one. The total station icon will be available on the left-hand side, as long as our total station has the integrated camera feature with Trimble Vision. Next, we can hit Preview on our report and save it, just like all the others. That takes us to the end of our Reports menu. Thanks for joining. We'll catch you in the next video.